How to add animated links to your publications. Step 1. Select Editor in your publication menu. Step 2. Click on the Link button and position the blue zone. Step 3. Enter the URL and choose your options. Last step, click on Save.